Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to fix when you open up apps, you see unable to verify. However, in the device management page, you can see the applications are verified, and on iOS 13, where when you try and open up the applications, they crash on launch, and again in the device management page, the applications are verified. The reason why this happens is because you installed a blacklisted app. Once one blacklisted app is installed, all other apps break. Before the apps which weren't blacklisted start working again, you're going to have to remove the blacklist off of your device. So in this guide, I'll quickly show you how to remove the blacklist off of your device. Step number 1, back up your iPhone. The first way to back up your device, go into settings, then tap on your name at the top, then find iCloud, scroll down until you see iCloud backup, enable this one, and then tap on backup now, wait for the process to complete. The second one is through the computer with iTunes or the Finder application. Only do this if you don't have enough iCloud storage to complete the backup. Once your iPhone is backed up, go into General, then find Reset, then tap on Erase or Content and Settings. In order to remove the blacklist, we need to do a full factory reset of our iPhone. Don't worry, the factory reset will not update your iOS firmware. So we'll tap on Erase, we'll tap on Erase now, we'll tap on Erase iPhone, Erase. Then if you're asked to enter in your password, just enter that one in. Now the iPhone should be brought to the factory default. Now just set up your iPhone until you see this page. Once you're here, you have an option. Either restore from your Mac or PC backup that you made earlier, or from the iCloud backup. If you manage to skip past this page and you're already on the home screen, then set up your iPhone until you see this page. For me, I'm going to choose the don't transfer option. However, if you do this, you will lose all of your data. By restoring your backup, you will have all of your data back on your iPhone. Set up the device until you're on the home screen. Now you can re-download apps without the blacklist issue.